A. Crocodile. B. Squirrel. C. Panda bear. Okay? What animal live both in water and land? A. Crocodile. B. Squirrel. C. Panda bear. Go! What animals live both in water and land? A. Crocodile. B. Squirrel. C. Panda bear. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Raise your answer. Okay, the correct answer is letter A, crocodile. Okay. Rina, 1 point. Julia, 1 point. Glenda, X. Lian, 1 point. Ina, 1 point. Novelin, 1 point. Ivan, 1 point. Jasmine, 1 point. Si Rocky, 1 point. Micaela, X. Kieran, 1 point. Ito.